got literally nothing out and we're just doing 6 knots.
Things might get a bit weird on here. Beers are going down. Morning everyone. We're still in the marina in Santa Cruz, but today we're leaving. I'm sort of alive, getting over my food poisoning, haven't thrown up in a while, still can't really eat, elbows still buggered, having a great time. So we're going to move them away from all the handy toilets in the marina, we're going to go stick them on anchor somewhere. That'll be good for you. We're not really sure where we're going, there's no real wind today, so we're just going to sort of head south and then just see what anchorages we can reach by the end of the day. We know there's one just the other side of Santa Cruz, that's probably going to be the stop. That's only like 10 miles away, then there's one 20 miles away, so it might be nice to try and get there, but we'll see. I'm going to put you on a clip and you're going to watch us try and walk ourselves out of this space into here and then disappear off into the sunset. Okay, we're loose off the back. Yeah. And that's how you do it. Time jump. We didn't film anything yesterday because we stayed in the worst anchorage in the world. And you've missed the entire sail here, but we'll forgive you a rundown. It wasn't that eventful, the sailing here. It was just downwind. We were testing our R2D2. It worked really well. Very light winds. But we've just anchored in this new place. I'm not sure what it's called. We'll tell you later. But the water looks very clear. Like the water's about 10 meters deep here, and you can see it like crystal clear all the way to the bottom. So excited to get in. Anyway. Here he goes. So yeah, we're at a new anchorage. It looks still like it's still gonna be quite rolly here. Yeah, the swells just all come in from the wrong direction, so we're just gonna be rolling around for another night, but hopefully it'll be better than last night. We're in a place called Abona. Hilarious name. There's our lovely boat, Morning Sky. She's really bouncing around. We had a pretty horrible night last night. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. I didn't sleep. I don't think many of the other boys slept that well either. But now we're gonna go wander around. We came into shore last night and went to a cafe called Cafe 70s. So we're gonna go there this morning for coffee and then have a wander and see what we can find in this lovely, lovely little village.
Hey beefy fellas.
Hello, you can see the...
Oh right, you can see me all the way over here, that's crazy.
Yeah. Hello, we're at a cafe. We're doing research on the Cape Verdes because that's our next stop. We've made a decision, we're definitely going there. We're looking at all the different islands and all the different ports of entry that we need to go to, looking at what the reviews say, looking at all their amenities, looking at their clearance processing, all the bits and bobs that we need. Once we're done with this, we'll probably give you an update of what our actual plan is, but then we're going to go for a nice swim over there, go for a dive. There you are. Consider yourself updated.
There's lots of rocks, we're going to go jump off them.
We're going to go jump off some rocks.
He does fall for a bit.
Well, I'm too nervous to dive, so I'm just going to jump in, I reckon. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Will's still got his broken elbow. Oh yeah. That was cracking. That was powerful. Didn't actually hurt. Good. Here comes David. What was on voice? Good stuff.
Evidence to the court, this is how Wolf broke his other arm. Exhibit A. Yeah. Take one. Oh, smashed it.
Absolutely smashed that. It's untying the bloody... He untied it hours ago. He's just playing with
chuck it overboard!
Yeah, he's just been tying it
I
up.
don't want to fucking make a mess all over.
I'm going, man.
Right, I don't know how well we've explained, but we're leaving, we were at the cafe just working out what we're going to do for the next few days. And we're a bit bored of this rolly anchorage. We're not getting much sleep. There's 2 Australians who we've met a couple times before, that are in Los Cristianos, which is sort of like 6.5 hours from here. It'll be much more sheltered around there. So we're just gonna leave, we're just gonna go for it. It's like 6 o'clock in the evening now. We're just gonna go and arrive at night. We're just gonna go for a night sail. We've got about an hour of light to do the first bit in, and then tomorrow we'll be able to catch up with these 2 Australians that we've briefly met before, but we're actually gonna go for a beer with them. And then, yeah, back up to Santa Cruz Saturday, because Charlie, David and Will's dad's coming on Monday, and then we see him for a few days, and then I think we're off to the Cape Verdes. So we've got a lot to do planning wise, but yeah, spontaneous 6.5 hour sail. Here we go.
But we're idiots and we went sailing without planning anything. We've got literally nothing out and we're just doing 6 knots because it's just nice and windy and we're going downwind and it's lovely. So yeah, we're going to be there at 9 o'clock basically. Welcome to wet weather gears on. Wolf got absolutely ruined by a wave. We're now downwind sailing, the swell's behind us, it's lush.
Absolutely sending it.
Still flying at maybe 24 knots. No, I think we're making like 6. Easy, consistent 6. So if you couldn't tell from the rest of our videos, we're very desperate for friends. And we're just discussing the fact that this is the only way you travel, the only world in which you travel 6 hours in horrible conditions to go and meet someone that you've only met once before in your life.
Hello everyone, it's dark as anything and you can't see me, but I thought I'd just update you. We've done nearly 9 nautical miles, currently going 6.7 knots. We'll keep you posted. You might not see anything else for the rest of the night because it's dark as anything, so maybe see you on anchor. Welcome! We made it to Los Cristianos. This is it. This is Revelry. The guys that we were coming to meet. We're going to go play some volleyball with them and then go for a beer with them later. Will's finally getting around to fixing his elbow. Put a bandage on in preparation for the tournament.
I want to play volleyball, but I need to strap my elbow up. I can't find any compression bandages though. I don't know if we have any.
I highly doubt it. Oh, they've gone mouldy.
Yeah, just the wrapping.
Ooh. So yeah, we'll see you on the beach.
There we are. I've been left by myself in the rib. There we are. Putting us long. Off to go play some volleyball.
We're with Henry from Revelry Sailing. There he is. He'll be in the vlog more later. Henry also sails with a lad called Bailey, who is away at the moment but is flying back tomorrow. So the plan is to, well, we're making a plan to maybe stay here tomorrow night as well. Oh, what a point!
Boat boys doing time?
Boat boys doing a thing?
Having a curry.
Having a curry?
I'm just making curry, I'm making
Henry's
bread.
here. You're in the YouTube.
Making bread?
Making bread. That's what's happening.
So, I can't remember what we last updated you on, but we've moved anchor. We were anchored on the town in the distance over there, but there's quite high winds coming from the east. So we've moved under this massive cliff, along with lots of other people, to hide away from the wind. It's still very windy, but nowhere near as windy as it would be if we were out there. Me and David have brought the rib to underneath the cliffs, and we're just diving. Lots of fish in all the rocks, so we'll try to show you some. Here David goes cliff jumping again. Woo! Yeehaw! Woohoo! David on a rock. Wahoo! It's another day. We're still by the cliffs that we said we were at last time. We are sort of stuck in the south of Tenerife. We wanted to be back up in Santa Cruz to see Charlie, David and his dad, but the wind is not playing ball, and it would basically, yeah, we'd be beating into it the whole way, and it would be horrible. It'd be absolutely horrible, a bit dangerous. So we think we're going to stay around here. Anyway, we're going to stay around here and probably go to Marina here and then just go see Charlie by bus or something like that. So it means that we are chilling here tonight with some beers. We're off to Revelry over there, which is the Aussies boat, Henry and Bailey. We've been hanging out with them a lot, so we're going to go over there for dinner. We'll take you along with us and shove a GoPro in their face. They'll love
absolutely love it.
They've taught us some new dice games called Bones. Well, a dice game called Bones, which is amazing. Oh my God. So that's the update. We will catch you in a bit. We'll go row over there. The wind's been absolutely chaos, and because we have no outboard still, we're just trying to be rowing against this wind, so we're all pretty pumped out from rowing everywhere. It's just been carnage. Anyway, yeah, we've been rowing them around as well, but that's a whole other story. Anyway, peace.
Hey guys, this is Henry here. You've made it on to Revelry. I'm here with the boys. We're just
It's a bit bigger.
having a beer over sunset, and alright, stay tuned for part 2 later tonight. Things might get a bit weird on here. Beers are going down.
Hello, welcome. We're on Revelry.
We're playing Bones.
Good evening, everybody. You're here on board Revelry, and currently playing my family's game, Bones. It's a pirate game.
Great game. Great game.
We're teaching the boys. Mate, just rolled a 1. So what are you going to do now?
Come on. 450, you're going to go.
You're going to roll again, son.
Take it.
Oh, man.
Oh, yeah.
Cheers, gang. Here you go.
What can I rustle up?
Bones.
Yes! Fuck! Oh, yes! Motherfucker!
No way. They were all so I couldn't see this. That's the best.
Yeah, shafted by my fucking best mate.
Best bit about it.
Out of English people though, I don't know if we are.
I don't know if we are, man.
Like we could be proper, like.
Oh yes.
Cheerio.
We could be a lot more. Nah, you're not fooling anyone. I don't think we're that English.
I don't think I'm that English. You're pretty English, Benjamin.
Benjamin Keaton, come here.
Hello there, chum.
Come on, chum. Mush, come here.
Mush.
Mush.
Little posh twat.
Dashing. You're absolutely dashing, Nigel. Come on, let's go water the horses.
Are you gonna say something or?
No.
Bailey's going ham right now.
Baby's kicking on my fucking head. I haven't even got my little paintbrush out, look. You got a paintbrush?
Picasso on this shit.
Damn that.
From downtown.
150.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 500.
Oh, go again.
Come on, Nigel.
Come on, Nigel.
Come on, Nigel. Put him up.
I won.
That's
it.
boy.
That's all you need to know.
That weird looking little boy.
These guys aren't happy. This man has made an absolute fucking madness.
I present to you, there's some beef ragu.
It's good shit, man. These guys have looked after us. Good morning. I'm feeling a little bit fragile after last night. It's now like 11 AM. We're getting the boat ready to make our move. We're gonna go further up the coast, back up towards the north, to a marina to go see Charlie Stringer. The marina isn't really near anything fun, but I think that's good because we won't have any distractions and we can just crack on and get the jobs done that we need to do. David's absolutely fucked me up
gave me a haircut the other day. Needs to sort that out. That's a big job. That's on the top of my list. Right on. We'll see you there. Whoa! Flashbang.
Off we go to go find Stringer and Charlie. Some would say Charlie Stringer. Cool. Well, we'll see you at some point in the next few days. Yeah, sounds Either good. Way. Thanks, guys. Cheers.
Catch you later.
Thanks for being there as well.
Bones. So we're literally just going from Los Cristianos over here, literally around the corner, to a place called Las Calas, which has just got a little marina.
It's going to be quite a fast sail by the looks of it. The wind's coming through the heels. Gonna be hooning.
Venturi.
Can't see.
Can you size? I'm having to hide from the wind because it's bloody windy. Fucking hell, David, you really fucked my hair up, dude. Yeah, I'm having to hide from the wind because it's bloody windy. The swell is also just bouncy, 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 and this man's gone all green.
I'm gonna yak!
David's not feeling too good. We went over a wave earlier. Actually, no, it was when we tacked. We tacked earlier, and the little fridge that we got donated by our friend Rob, thank you Rob, just flew across the entire boat. So hopefully it still works. It's bouncy, bouncy.
Such a shit haircut, I'm sorry.
I know, man. You did this.
Yeah,
You fucking did this to me. I thought we were friends.
Yeah.
Then you've given me this.
It is not good.
What a prick.
We made it.
We're here.
Cool.
Charlie's arrived. We're gonna go drink beer. We're just sorting out the boat because
We are gonna drink beer.
we are gonna drink beer. Don't worry. Don't worry. We are gonna drink beer. Yeah, the boat sort of became a bit of a shambles because we were rail to rail and things were just getting thrown around inside. So we're gonna sort that out and then yeah, off for beers.